You've probably heard the horrible things that KFC does to its chickens. You feel like, well, those animal rights activists, whatever they'll do to stop this, they're probably going to do some good. Until I see it, another side of the story. I was reading last month's issue of Skeptical Inquirer, talking about animal rights extremists. Figures such as in 2006, PETA killed 2,891 cats and dogs and other animals. Roughly 97% of the animals left in their care. And I was watching my local news. In Orange County, California, they've been having overcrowding in their one animal shelter. So they had to euthanize last year around 13,000 animals. But it's understandable, because they're having overcrowding. Why should PETA have to kill animals? And then it says they donated $42,500 to Rodney Coronado's legal defense, a guy who's with the Animal Liberation Front, an animal terrorist group, and he caused $125,000 in damage to Michigan State University, a fire that destroyed 32 years of research data. So you could be giving money to PETA not knowing they're supporting animal terrorist organizations. And according to GuideStar.org, they've received around $30 million in 2006 in contributions and various funds. You could be giving money to them thinking that they're gonna help care for the welfare of my animal right here. But instead they could be killing animals. And then there's this diagram, medical benefits of animal research, in which drugs can be made safer. There can be cures or even vaccines for various diseases by testing on animals. But these animal rights activists and PETA want you to care for the welfare of these animals, not the welfare for us humans. Like, our lives are not as important. While those animal rights activists and PETA are getting you to feel sorry for those KFC chickens at the same time as they might be doing something good. There's also other things going on, in which just read this Skeptical Inquirer or go on the internet, because there's another side to the story.